Hi, this is David McCann. Welcome to this 360 review. In this video, we'll be looking at the free OceanWP theme. OceanWP is very popular. Let's take a look in the WordPress directory. OceanWP has more than 400,000 active installations and more than 2,400 5-star reviews. Really great reviews. OceanWP is page builder friendly, but it has an Elementor focus. The theme has a large number of customization options. Here I have a demo site with OceanWP installed, and this is one of the OceanWP free demos. I just want to take a look in the customizer at all of the options it has available. For example, here are menu options, widgets is standard WordPress. Under general options, we have general styling, page title, scroll to top, pagination options, text area input fields, theme buttons, and 404 error page, typography, a full range of typography options, top bar options, header options, header menu, social menu, where you can enter your social menu links, and mobile menu options. Blog options, sidebar options, footer widget options, footer button options, OceanWP adds a section for custom JS for things like Google Analytics scripts, and a place where you can set up sharing buttons. OceanWP has more customization options in their free theme than any other theme in the WordPress directory. So on this demo site, in addition to Elementor, I also have the free OceanWP extensions installed. They add extra functionality, and you would install and activate them if you need them. They're optional, but there's one that everybody will want to install, and that's the Ocean Extra plugin. It adds a lot of functionality, a lot of customization options, and so I think everybody will want it. Let's take a quick look here on the post edit screen. The Ocean Extra plugin adds these OceanWP settings here. They're the main settings. They're the ability to add shortcodes into these different hook areas, like after the top bar, after the header, before the title, after the footer bottom, before the footer, and so on. Their header options, logo options, menu options, page title options, breadcrumb options, footer options, and post options. So these are extra settings that are available on the post edit screens from the Ocean Extra plugin. Another thing that plugin adds is a bunch of extra widgets. And remember, for Elementor users, the Elementor page builder can use those WordPress widgets. It also adds this theme panel, and here you have the ability to turn off sections of the customizer. If you're not going to use them, then that's a good simplification. And these are links to areas in the customizer. It has the ability to add templates. And as you can see, you can create the templates with Elementor or just using the regular WordPress editor. These are the scripts and styles that are installed with OceanWP to support some of the functionality, and you can turn off the ones you're not using so that they're not loaded to help make your site faster. You have custom sidebars. You can stick elements, and you can install demos. There are 13 free demos. I have this one installed. OceanWP also has some premium options. You can buy the packages on an annual subscription, or there's a lifetime option. And there are 13 premium extensions. I'd like to point out that this Elementor Widgets extension has 41 Elementor widgets included. It's basically an Elementor add-on pack, the only difference being that it requires OceanWP to work. There's full screen cookie notice, special login pop-up, white label, sticky footer, hooks, woo pop-up, slide in slide panel, footer callout, and the premium Elementor also comes with 60 pro demos. These are basically kind of simple WordPress sites that you can import. There might be, half a dozen pages, and some of them include support for WooCommerce, so they have styling for that. They're pre-styled. User feedback on OceanWP is that some people find the organization of the customizer options hard to navigate. It's difficult for them to find the right option that they need in the customizer. And people have also pointed out that the lifetime unlimited license is expensive when you compare it with some other themes. However, OceanWP does occasionally have sales, and when they have a good sale, then that brings the price down and makes it more competitively priced. Those points aside, you get a ton of features with the free theme. And I think that's why OceanWP has a lot of wildly enthusiastic fans who are very appreciative. OceanWP makes a perfect pairing with the free version of Elementor for those on a budget. The theme has a very active and friendly Facebook group with more than 5,000 members, and OceanWP is recognized as one of the leading page builder friendly themes. Check it out. Thank you for watching.